Okay, I'm back. I'm going to show you a little bit more of what Deckable can do. I am just loving this platform for my cards. I'm going to start with Dissolving Imposter Syndrome, which is a card deck that I have. And we are going to click on that. And for this, I'm just going to choose one card. In this section, it's marked Start. And it chose this card for me. Does it need to be perfect right now? Or do I just need to do the thing and get it out in the world as it is right now? How is it? Perfect right now? Does it need to be perfect right now? Or do I just need to do the thing and get it out in the world as it is right now? So good questions. Let's see. I'm going to move this smaller, and I am going to hit the plus sign and go to New Deck. And then I'm going to choose Renew. And I will shuffle. Play and do a quick draw. Okay, then I can come down here and I can go to Layout and it will lay them out. Now I want to move this around so I can read it from right to left. I can make these bigger or smaller so that I can adjust them. But this one, if I click on here, I can flip it and ask these questions. So this has to do with being perfect right now. Things to think about and to journal about. So I'm going to go over here to the Renew card and I'm going to flip it. And my answer is, I forgive myself for working myself silly. I love and accept myself enough to take a break and recharge. I am free to enjoy personal pleasures. That really fits in with how things are perfect right now, or do they really need to be? Do I have that need? And so I can use the one step deeper to forgive. What do I need to forgive? Or I love and forgive myself. I am determined. These are all things that can help me refocus on how I'm seeing the world as perfect or not perfect. And from here, I can close that out and I can go and journal on what I have found that has helped me perceive things about myself in a new way. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.